Tesla has revolutionized manufacturing again, but this time, it's not just about the cars themselves. It's about the way those cars are made. In 2020, Tesla unveiled something so groundbreaking that it could fundamentally change the future of car production. What if I told you that one bold move, a single decision, might cut production costs in half, streamline manufacturing, and push the EV industry even closer to mainstream adoption? Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive into how Tesla's Megacasting technology is reshaping the entire automotive industry. Tesla's Megacasting is one of the most exciting innovations to come out of the EV revolution. For years, automakers have relied on hundreds or even thousands of individual parts to assemble a car, requiring complex supply chains and extensive assembly lines. But with Tesla's introduction of large aluminum die-cast parts, they're changing everything. In today's video, we'll break down the Megacasting technology, its impact on cost, efficiency, and the environment, and why it's a game changer for the future of electric vehicles. First, we'll explore the basics of Megacasting, then examine its technical benefits, and finally, we'll compare the impact it has on the industry as a whole. Stay tuned, this is just the beginning. So what exactly is Megacasting? At its core, it's a manufacturing technique that allows Tesla to produce massive single-piece aluminum castings for key components of the vehicle. Instead of using dozens or even hundreds of parts for things like the car's frame, Tesla now uses two giant, single aluminum parts to create most of the rear underbody of their vehicles. These parts are produced using advanced die casting machines that apply massive pressure to mold molten aluminum into a single, precise shape. The shift to Megacasting is nothing short of revolutionary. For context, traditional car production involves welding together hundreds of smaller components to create a chassis. Tesla's Megacasting eliminates that complexity, drastically reducing the number of parts needed. This makes manufacturing more efficient, faster, and cheaper. This move has already been implemented in Tesla's Model Y, and now it's quickly expanding to other models. What do you think? Could this level of simplification be the future of car manufacturing? Or is it just a Tesla quirk that other manufacturers will avoid? Now let's talk numbers. How exactly is this technology cutting costs? Traditionally, the cost of parts, labor, and assembly and vehicle manufacturing is a huge chunk of the final price. With Megacasting, Tesla eliminates the need for many smaller parts and the labor required to assemble them. This could reduce production costs by as much as 40%. A game-changing number, especially when scaling production. But the savings don't end there. The massive reduction in parts means fewer suppliers, reduced logistics costs, and a simplified assembly line. Tesla has also reduced the number of robots needed for assembly. In fact, by replacing multiple robots with just one die-casting machine, Tesla significantly lowers overhead. The potential savings are immense when considering the entire supply chain and production cycle. Do you think other automakers will adopt this strategy, or are they too invested in their existing assembly line methods? Aside from cost savings, one of the most exciting aspects of Megacasting is its potential environmental benefits. Traditional car manufacturing is wasteful. Lots of scrap metal is generated from stamping and cutting parts. In contrast, Megacasting uses a far more efficient process. The large aluminum castings have minimal waste, and Tesla's use of aluminum itself is environmentally friendlier compared to steel due to its lighter weight, which also contributes to better vehicle efficiency. Moreover, Tesla's gigafactories are designed to be highly energy efficient, and the Megacasting process contributes to this. By using fewer parts and streamlining the assembly process, Tesla is reducing the overall carbon footprint of its manufacturing operations. This not only improves the sustainability of the vehicles themselves, but also advances Tesla's broader goal of reducing the carbon impact of its entire production network. Would an environmentally friendly manufacturing process be enough to sway you to buy an EV over a gas-powered car? So what does this mean for the wider automotive industry? Tesla's Megacasting has the potential to disrupt the entire sector. By reducing production costs and increasing efficiency, it sets a new standard for what's possible in car manufacturing. If Tesla can scale this technology and continue to lower costs, it could push electric vehicles to an even more competitive price point. helping EVs become mainstream far faster than previously thought. But the impact isn't just about cost. It's about encouraging innovation throughout the entire supply chain. If other automakers adopt this approach, we could see a shift in the way cars are built, affecting everything from how parts are sourced to the design of future vehicles. In the long term, this could lead to faster EV adoption and greater market penetration, especially in markets where cost has traditionally been a barrier to entry. Do you think legacy automakers are ready to follow Tesla's lead, or will they be left behind in the dust? In conclusion, Tesla's megacasting revolution is more than just a manufacturing change. It's a game changer for the entire automotive industry. It promises massive cost savings, higher production efficiency, and a significant reduction in environmental impact. As more manufacturers begin to embrace this technology, we'll see the potential for electric vehicles to hit new price points, driving adoption across the globe. So what does the future hold? Will Tesla's megacasting lead the charge in transforming the industry? Or will other automakers find their own path to innovation? As this technology evolves, the ripple effects could be even bigger than what we see today. Megacasting doesn't just change how a car is built, it changes how a factory is designed from the ground up. Instead of dozens of workstations, hundreds of weld points, and endless quality checks, a megacasting-based factory could operate with a fraction of the complexity. This could shorten production lines, reduce factory footprints, and dramatically increase output per square foot. And here's where things get really interesting. Megacasting also opens the door for entirely new vehicle designs. When engineers aren't limited by hundreds of welded joints, they can rethink structural layouts from scratch, making cars safer, lighter, and even more aerodynamic. This freedom could lead to vehicle shapes and structural innovations that simply weren't possible with traditional methods. Plus, faster manufacturing means quicker iteration. Tesla and any automaker using megacasting could update designs more frequently, respond faster to market changes, and bring new models to consumers at a speed the industry has never seen before. In a world where technology changes every year, that kind of agility is priceless. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the tech that's changing the car industry, make sure to subscribe to House of EV for more insights, analysis, and updates. And let us know in the comments. Do you think megacasting is the future of car manufacturing? But remember, this is just the beginning. As Tesla continues to refine megacasting and scale production, we might be witnessing the early stages of a complete manufacturing revolution. And if history is any guide, once Tesla pushes the boundaries, the rest of the industry eventually follows. The only question now is, who's ready to keep up?